Accountants from across the country are pleading to the federal government for an extension on this year's tax deadline. Many saying due to the pandemic, resources have been stretched thin, and there's fear some won't be able to file in time.
With a deadline only a week away, small accounting firms along with taxpayers have been signing this petition online asking for the April 30th deadline to be extended to June 15th.
So we started it to really as an assistance to them to get some relief.
The petition, which now has over 75,000 signatures from mainly small accounting firms, also features comments from accountants. Some who say they are physically and mentally exhausted from a year that has been filled with nonstop work.
Small accounting firms have really struggled and been overwhelmed for the past year with helping their clients prepare a lot of new materials in addition to what the work they've already done, which includes wage subsidies and rent subsidies. So these are taking huge amounts of time, and they're very high priority for their clients because they're really the lifeline that's keeping these businesses afloat.
Last year, the federal government extended the tax filing deadline to May 31st, but officials have said this year it will not be the case, even though filers say this tax season is a complicated one.
During April, it's 18-hour days for most accountants. So you add on a little bit of a marginal extra bit of work, and you just can't meet the deadline. I mean, it's always touch and go to the last minute every year. So with this additional workload that's been there, it's really impossible to meet these deadlines.
While the feds have said they are not extending the deadline, Quebec has taken a different approach, suspending penalties and interest on tax returns filed after the April 30th deadline for the entire month of May. On the CRA's website, it states, it is important to file on time if you receive COVID-19 recovery benefits, such as the Canada Recovery Benefit, Canada Recovery Caregiving Benefit, or Canada Recovery Sickness Benefit. Failing to do so could mean your payments could be stopped.
Get it, and they're very scared their clients are going to be subject to penalties, and they're very scared that their clients are going to hold them responsible for not getting their information done in time. And I think that's why so many accountants are really concerned and causing a lot of mental stress and anguish for them.
And we did reach out to the Canada Revenue Agency but did not hear back by deadline.